Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidre. The RJ Aglina Communications Group cross-country invasion for 2018 culminated on a high note last night with the hosting of a wrap-up party. The event started with the high-energy taping of RETV's chart show with host Preske interviewing RJ Aglina cross-country invasion participants including Mr. Vegas and Tommy Lee Sparta, Savage and Rondell Positive. Meanwhile, singer Sabrina Diva gave us a spirited performance of this year's theme song for the RJR Cross Country Invasion. It was a giving affair as the RJR Aglina Communications Group management extended wholehearted thanks to the sponsors, artists, industry professionals and staff who made this year's cross country a success. Also at the event was General Manager of Radio Services, Dr. Dennis Howard, who spoke of the controversial statement made by popular dancehall DJ Beanie Man recently.
We have changed the format for Hits 92 FM since 2017, January 2017. We have gotten tremendous support for the change. It is now a true reggae and sports station. The two big things that Jamaica offers the world is reggae music and sports. And absolutely, we are the station that will continue to give that to the world. We are unapologetically 100% reggae music. Reggae music is Jamaica. Jamaica is reggae. You can't fight against reggae music and not fight against Jamaica. That don't make any sense.
The 26th staging of Reggae Sumfest will be held in Montego Bay at the Catherine Hall Entertainment Complex from July 15 to 22. Organizers have expressed satisfaction with the growth of the festival, which continues to use their new format since 2016. CEO of Down Sound Records, Joe Bogdanovich, says this year's staging of the festival is expected to hit a record in terms of turnout at the 26th anniversary, after noting an increase in the demand for early bird tickets, which remains available until March 31. Reggae Sumfest, dubbed the greatest reggae show on earth, promises an awesome lineup, including four-time Grammy winner Damien Jr. Gang Marley, Sizzla Kalonji, Beres Hammond, Maxi Priest, Kia Putan, Popcorn, Spice and more. See you at Sumfest. A diverse lineup of reggae and reggae-influenced music is expected for this year's staging of Stephen Marley's Kaya Fest. A press conference was held recently in West Hollywood where brothers Stephen, Damon and Julian spoke on this year's lineup, which includes Lauryn Hill, Chronix, Common Kings and more. The Marley brothers will perform together for the first time on the Kaya Festival stage in Southern California in over a decade. The Jamaica Youth Chorale have launched a campaign to raise $9 million to compete in the World Choir Games in Africa this July. The competition runs from July 4 to 14 in South Africa. The 9-year-old group is passionate about the competition in this year's game and invites corporate Jamaica and the public to get involved and to support their quest to compete this summer. All the best to the team. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidre. Thank you for watching.